how to add music to an Instagram post. So it's very, very simple to add music to a post. So all you need to do is go to your Instagram, hit the plus sign at the top left-hand corner, and we're just going to add a new post. I'm just going to pick a picture here or something here, and you just want to hit next. And from here, you can add audio. So go to the audio area at the bottom left-hand corner and go add audio. And from here, you can just add any song that you want. I'm just going to pick a song here. It's no big deal. So from this point forward, you will have the audio on your post. Go ahead and hit next. And from here, go ahead and add any caption you want, any kind of hashtags and things like that. But right under it, you'll notice that the song you picked is right there for the post itself. So then you would go ahead and hit share. And then that post will be on your Instagram with that music on there every single time someone wants to view your post. And that's it.